Good day. Welcome back to Four's World Problems. Today, I have another problem. I use the Holyland Mars 400S Pro wireless HDMI transmitter. All right. When we do the live streaming, you don't want to pull a long HDMI cable from the transmitter to the receiver. So, well, the transmitter receiver is wireless anyway. So that's why I use this primarily on my live stream jobs when we get called for. Anyway, so this unit is powered by the Sony NP-F970 type batteries. Okay, so you can power it up using USB-C also, but for the full wireless experience, for the convenience, you have a battery such as this battery here, which is, I think it's a third-party one. Use this 6600 milliamp hour battery, and this battery usually lasts just over 5 to 6 hours when we do live streaming at a particular event. Okay, so the problem number one is when it's used with this particular unit. It's like that. Oops, hang on. Yes, locks in. Problem is my model doesn't have any indicator for the battery levels. So how to solve these fourth world problems? Enter the SMALLRIG NP-F970 USB-C rechargeable camera battery, which is, this is the black color. They have green and I think an orange color one, if I'm not mistaken. And this is the 4469 model. What's cool about this is it is rechargeable. Well, same as that one, of course. But this one, hey, it's got an indicator of the charge levels. That's number one. Number two, it's got USB-C. Hence, you can charge it directly using USB-C. This one, to charge this, I've got a SMALLRIG charger, which uses USB-C also, which is, yeah, it's fine. It's just another gear to have and to charge it. I've got two of these batteries anyway at 6600 milliamp hour versus this one here. Look at the specs. This one is 10,500 milliamp hour. So number one, of course, solves the problem of battery levels, battery indicator. Second thing is this one is 10,500 milliamp hour, so should last 8, maybe 9, maybe 10 hours worth of usage on my Sony Handycam camera that I use for my live streaming. All right, so today unboxing, and this is my knife. That ain't a knife, it's just a knife. Okay, so oops, dangerous. Right, done. Put it a bit further away. Come on. Did I open it up correctly? Ah, there it is. Unboxing of the SMALLRIG 4469 USB-C rechargeable battery. Oh, let's check out this one here. Yeah, 4469, blah, blah, blah. And at the back, that's not much. It's just the usual thing that you couldn't care less about. Let's open up this thing. Oh, man. What is happening? Should I cut this? No, I don't cut this. Oh, look at that. In the box, you get the battery, you get a battery cover. There's a battery cover. You get the USB-C to USB-C charging cable too. Operating instructions, user manual, guarantee card. Wow, 6 different stuff in the box. Okay, for those who are really wanting to know, but we'll soon open up. No wonder I can't open it because there's another one over here hasn't been. There you go, proper unboxing. Ta-da! Okay, which is what my 3-year-old likes to say. Ta-da! Okay, so that's that. SMALLRIG user manual, it says so there. Okay, we are here for you, blah 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 blah. Guarantee card. Look at that. USB-A out. So it has USB-A out. It has USB-C in and out, which means you can charge it through this particular port, USB-C, and also it can output from there, which means it can actually also, well, with the USB-A out, I can charge my camera too while I'm away from any power source. So that's pretty cool. So you kill two birds with one battery. Yes? Maybe? No? Okay, so that's that. Let's check it out. Wow, look at that. That's that. That's the battery. Knife. So that USB-C says there. Oops, SMALLRIG. Nice. Oh no, it says input output. Sorry, I can't really see. Okay, input output there. The side there's nothing much, and that's the USB-A with a bit of a flap. That's pretty cool. So that's output only. Small is right, and then tada. Hey, it's got this. Let me just open it up. Oh, should I? That's okay. That's done already. When you press that button, it's at 37%. So it's got some charge in it. That's good. And that's the battery cover. Let's turn this off. How do you? Okay. So that's done. What's in there? That's just the USB-C cable, standard stuff. Yeah, USB-C to USB-C. And let's have a look at the battery. Yeah, SMALLRIG. Right, model NP-F970. Yep, so that's it, pretty straightforward. And then that's my wireless transmitter. Take it off. Get in. Oops. Nice click there. It says 37%. And it's running. Yep. And the fact that it's got this and it's got that, it is such, size-wise. Definitely bigger, way bigger. Oh no, just a bit. Just a bit bigger. 6600 versus 10,500 milliampere hour. So a bit longer. But for the convenience of having, there's a button here. Press to get the 37% levels of the battery. Can charge it up using that. And also output from there. And also output from there. Which is pretty cool. So one battery for all. So that's it. I'd say the rechargeable USB-C cable battery. Yeah, we've gone through that. There's nothing else, I think. And yeah, hopefully this one will improve upon the quality of, well, transmission is still good. It's just that sometimes when the battery runs out and you don't know, suddenly you see the Holy Land logo. And if you're not quick enough to notice that, then yeah, of course, the viewers will see that, which is not that great, not that professional looking. But having one of these should improve upon the portability, well, the service delivery of the wireless transmitter. Because at 10,500, that should run, I'd say, 8-9 hours, no problem. So live streaming doesn't run that long anyway, so that's pretty good. and the convenience also to power my handycam camera. All right, so that's it from me. Foz, I'll see you around, and yeah, I've got another new gadget that I just purchased, but see you on the next one. Thank you very much. Have a great day.